The Nigerian Institute of Town Planners Eastern Zonal Assembly is made up of the 9 states carved out of the old Eastern region, and since its creation has recorded enormous progress in the zone as it witnessed cross-fertilization of ideas between the state chapters in the zone. Declaring the meeting open, Mr. Onukuba expressed delight with the synergy among the states and noted that the state government is aware of the implications of fiscal planning in the development of urban and rural environments. Thus, the reason the present administration's bold move in implementing the Anambra State Fiscal Planning Law, continued strengthening of the Anambra State Fiscal Planning Board, and establishment of Awka Capital Territory Development Authority to fast-track efficient development of the capital city. He encouraged them to improve capacity of the members, which, according to him, will invariably complement the efforts of the government.
Sincerely appreciate the efforts of NITP in championing the critical issues of human environment and its development with the sole aim of making Nigeria safe, orderly, convenient, and livable.
In his remarks, the national president, NITP, town planner Lekwa Ezeuta, extolled the cordial relationship between the association and the state government and appealed for continuous backings that will enable them discharge their professionalism, and reminded the commissioner to report to the national committee of the association any form of irregularity by members for appropriate sanctions.
We want our members to perform their functions in line with the rules of the profession. The networks achieving that area will also request the government to help us by blowing the whistle whenever there is a need. We are very prepared to sanction any member.
While saying that town planning is the first profession created and practiced by God, the state chairman, town planner Amechina Madakonam, revealed that for sustainable growth or improvement in the environment, either economically and physically, there is need to unconditionally embrace the profession of town planning in government, and hinted that the Eastern Zonal Assembly is created by NITP as a platform for interactions and synergy of the 9 state chapters of Old Eastern Region.
I strongly advise governments in the old eastern region of Nigeria, particularly the Anambra State government, to ensure that town planning ideas are carefully and professionally applied to routine management of our urban areas as well as rural areas. Presently, our urban areas are witnessing uncontrolled and haphazard growth, which is already resulting in disorderly and insecure cities or urban areas.
Delivering a lecture titled Fiscal Planning, Managing the Environment, the Town Planner's Role, Dr. Chinedu Okoye, an associate professor of urban planning and environmental management in Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka, emphasized that planning is a multidisciplinary task that constantly changes and requires progressive adjustments from time to time, and advised planners to always maintain the ethics and standard of the profession. In Awka, Chibuzo Bidiki, ABS News.